Kaya patikim, no? Ngayon ay triple chocolate almond ice cream. Okay. Patikim ni Chris's Kitchen, no? Kanyang patikim sa araw na to habang may nagre-ring na phone. Kanyang patikim, no? Ngayon ay triple chocolate almond ice cream. Okay? Triple chocolate almond ice cream. So, ito binuksan ko na para hindi ako mahirapan. Ayan ang itsura. So, galing sa freezer. So, again, natikman ko na ito noon. The focus of my vlog would be to tell you kung whether pwede ba to sa LCIF o hindi. Okay? Pwede ba to? Traditionally, technically, and of course, strictly. Okay? So, let's check the macros netong triple chocolate almond ice cream. Ang kanyang macros ay, ang lamig, ang fat ay 12.78 grams. Kanyang net carb ay 2.82 grams. And then, ang kanyang protein ay 2.79. That being said, hindi pinakamababa ang carb. Doon sa sinabi ko, siya ay nasa gitna. Therefore, this is not low carb. This is not high carb. This is mid-carb. Mid-carb itong triple chocolate almond ice cream na to. Pakahaba ng pangalan. Okay? So, mid-carb siya. So, that being said, pwede ba to sa LCIF? Pwede ba to conditionally? The answer is yes. Okay? Pwede ba to technically? The answer is no. Dahil technically, pang low carb lang ang technically. Mid-carb to. So, technically, hindi siya pwede sa technically. Pero sa conditionally, pwede siya. Now, as for strictly, mas lalong hindi siya pwede. Dahil ang strictly, for the end time, meat, egg, seafood, water, salt lang. Hindi naman to meat, egg, seafood, water, salt lang. Okay? So, conditionally, yes. Technically, no. Strictly, no. Okay? As for the taste, let's try. Natikman ko na ito doon, and nagustuhan ko naman siya. Anything na medyo chocolate style is something na nagugustuhan ko naman. Okay? So, kaya kukuha na ako na parami. Now, masarap ba siya? In my opinion, masarap. Now, whether or not masasarapan kayo is something for you to find out. So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung masarap ba tong mid-carb na to, then there is only one way to find out. Buy it. Okay. Bili na!